name is Quintin Riley. I'm the CEO of Legendary Carpet Care Plus. We offer professional carpet, tile, and upholstery services. Our mission is quality. We believe in quality that comes with care and not a price. I was working at a local hospital where I was being trained to do floors. And the guy who was training me told me that he had just got hired outside of work to do some floor work for a church. And he was paid $800. And at the time, that was as much as our paychecks. So a red light went off in my head. We believe in quality work. And sometimes if that means staying an extra 30 minutes on a job, we believe in quality. So we're not about doing 100 jobs a day, doing the most we can do. We want to do the job right, efficient, and make sure that the customer is satisfied. This has been one of the most beneficial programs I went through. Reason being, it ties into the business life. By that, I mean strategic planning, growth, employee engagement, milestones, value propositions. So to me, it's about the strategic planning that I was always missing in my business. And the benefits that came from this, it was almost God-given. Like he knew what I needed at the time. Everything I needed has been delivered to me. So now it's on me to execute.